This is Milo and Astrid. Astrid just joined us. Milo seems to be just like good and tolerant and offers correction whenever it's needed. He seems to be pretty good with most other dogs. Astrid, came in right away and started to hump, and Milo said, that's just not appropriate, and corrected it. Right, Astrid? Yes. Girl, get down. So this is Milo and Astrid. And that animal care and control. Cute are they? We love Milo. Milo's a super, super, super dog. Astrid just joined us. Good together. Milo's a rock star. I love Milo. Everyone loves Milo. So Milo and Astrid. And animal care control. Astrid. I know.
Nibbles on ears.
Milo and Astrid.